Hello everybody, I'm here on the assignments page, and of course the big news at the top of the week is going to be that statement on a wicked problem. Now I went over this last week in the screencast, and of course you can find last week's screencast on the modules page if you need to refresh your memory of that. So I'm not going to go through it in detail this time, but do read it in detail because details matter. And this is a little different from the other writing assignments for this class in that you'll actually type it right here on the assignments page. You'll see a text box and you'll see a blue button to use to submit it when you've got it looking the way you want it to look. Okay? And that's how we get the week going. Now, once you've taken care of that Monday night, you can hop into our reading because you have a discussion post to do Wednesday. And it's right there. And it's chapter 3, and they say, I say. I know you know how to quote, but I want you to take this to a higher level, the way it's done professionally. And the authors of They Say, I Say do a really good job in helping you get to that level. And it's a short chapter. Take the time to read it. Really easy to read, very clear, in informal language, not academies or anything obscure. And I mention a term they use here, quotation sandwich. It's just their way of describing the best way to set up a quoted line from a source you're quoting. And of course, there are the responding instructions. Don't miss those. And the instructions for the second posting, the one due Friday. And speaking of Friday, of course, you've also got the reading questions. And they are right. They're hiding, obviously. There they are. Let's move them up. I'll make them a little easier to find, and I'll move some of the old reading questions down, clean things up a little bit, make it easier to find everything. And how's that look? Better? There we go. So in order now, the way I've laid them out here, get the wicked problem statement, 2 full paragraphs done Monday, and then start doing the reading for Wednesday's first installment of the discussion. And of course, Friday will come along soon after, and you'll have the reading questions. Okay, and speaking of questions, remember, you can always hop over to the discussions page here into the chat room if you have a question about an assignment, and I'll be glad to answer it. Have a great week.